Let's talk about emergency procedures, specifically fires. During this video, Sandy Flores, a registered nurse and senior living leader, will talk about the basic steps you will want to be prepared to follow should there be a fire in or near our community.
Well, our buildings were built to the current construction standards, and we do regular and routine maintenance in our community. Fires can happen. A fire could be something that starts in our community, perhaps even in a residence unit, or it can be wildfires that encroach on our communities. Make sure you understand from your supervisor the steps to take should there be a fire within your community. Each building may differ. Some communities are best to shelter in place. That means residents are not immediately evacuated. In other circumstances, evacuation is appropriate, so it's important that you know the guidelines for your specific community. When responding to a fire within the community, you'll want to take important steps. Be prepared by knowing the acronym RACE: Rescue, Alarm, Contain, Extinguish. Those are your 4 important immediate responses to a fire within the community.
So let's break down each of these steps. Rescue. You're going to stop what you're doing and remove anyone who is in immediate danger. Get them to a safe area and get out as quickly as possible. You want to avoid exposure to gas, heat, flames, or smoke. Many residents will be able to evacuate on their own. Others may require assistance. You will receive additional training on evacuating non-ambulatory residents. Depending on your community, this may be something that has to be done by emergency response personnel. Don't ever put yourself in danger. Your next step is to sound the alarm. Activate the nearest fire alarm pull station. We want to immediately call 911 and report the location and the extent of the fire. Contain. This means closing all doors and windows to the area where the fire exists. This also means that during evacuation, you close doors behind you on your way out of the building. But remember, in your efforts to contain, don't put yourself or others in danger. When possible, you should also attempt to extinguish the fire. But again, only do this if it's safe for you to do so. Retrieve your nearest fire extinguisher and follow a procedure that we call PASS. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handles together, and sweep from side to side. So that's it. You've learned some important steps to respond to a fire in or around your community. You'll have a chance to practice these procedures during your hands-on training.